Welcome to this tutorial on the lower command in Splunk search processing language. The lower command is a powerful text transformation function that converts string values to lowercase letters. This functionality is essential for performing case-insensitive analysis in your Splunk searches. When working with data that may contain inconsistent capitalization, the lower command helps standardize your text fields, making your analysis more reliable and comprehensive. The basic syntax for the lower command is straightforward and follows a simple pattern. You use the eval command followed by a new field name, equals sign, and then lower function with the field name in parentheses. The syntax is pipe eval new underscore field equals lower open parenthesis field underscore name close parenthesis. This creates a new field containing the lowercase version of your original field values, while preserving the original data intact. Let's look at a practical example using weblog data. In this search, we start with index equals web underscore logs, then pipe to eval username underscore lower equals lower open parenthesis username close parenthesis, and finally pipe to table username comma username underscore lower. This command takes the username field and creates a new field called username underscore lower, containing all usernames converted to lowercase. The table command displays both the original and converted fields side by side for comparison. The lower command serves two primary use cases in Splunk analysis. First, data normalization. When you have text fields with inconsistent capitalization, the lower command standardizes these fields for consistent analysis across your datasets. Second, case-insensitive comparison. This allows you to compare values regardless of their original case variations. These use cases are particularly valuable when dealing with user input data, log files from different systems, or any scenario where text case consistency cannot be guaranteed. Here's a more advanced example demonstrating the lower command in a security context. The search begins with index equals security, then pipes to eval action underscore normalized equals lower open parenthesis action close parenthesis. Next, it pipes to search action underscore normalized equals quote allow quote or action underscore normalized equals quote deny quote, and finally pipes to stats count by action underscore normalized. This search normalizes the action field to lowercase, filters for specific actions regardless of their original case, and provides statistical analysis of the normalized data. When using the lower command, follow these essential best practices for optimal results. First, consider performance. Use the lower function before search operations whenever possible, as this approach improves search efficiency by standardizing data early in the processing pipeline. Second, practice proper field management by creating new fields rather than overwriting your original data. This preserves data integrity and allows you to reference both original and transformed values when needed. These practices ensure your Splunk searches remain both efficient and maintainable. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.